The average amount of milk consumed per person in the United States T years since 2000 can be estimated by using the expression negative 0.3 T plus 22.5 gallons per person. The population of the United States in millions can be estimated by using the expression 2.75 T plus 282 million people. Write a new expression to represent the total amount of milk consumed by the U.S. population. So we have gallons per person and a number of people. So if we think about those units, if we multiply those units, that would give us a number of gallons. Right, and that's what we want. We want the total amount of milk consumed. Right? Write a new expression to represent the total amount of milk consumed by the U.S. population. So let's think about this. We have negative 0.3 T plus 22.5 gallons per person. And if we multiply that by 2.75 T plus 282 million, and people is the plural of person, so I'm going to say persons. Notice the units, the person units, reduce out. And the remaining units we have are gallons, millions, so this is going to give us something in terms of million gallons. Alright, now, what's remaining? Well, we have polynomials that are being multiplied. So let's FOIL negative 0.3 T times 2.75 T. I'm going to use a calculator for this. Negative 0.3 by 2.75 gives me negative 0.825 T square. Outers, negative 0.3 times 282 is negative 84.6 T. Inners, 22.5 times 2.75 T. Yields 61.875 T. And the lasts, I'd have 22.5 times 282. And so that's plus 6,845. 6,345. I see a couple of like terms here, the negative 84.6 and the positive 61.875, both T. And again, I used my calculator there, so that would then yield negative 0.825 T squared minus 22.725 T plus 6,345 million gallons. Use the expression found in Part A to estimate the amount of milk that will be consumed by the U.S. population in 2015. Now the expression was negative 0.825 T squared minus 22.725 T plus 6,345, and that was in terms of million gallons. Now, we want to find the amount of milk that will be consumed by the U.S. population in 2015. And let's see, back in the statement, the T was the number of years since 2000, so we will let T equal 15. So then that would give us negative 0.825 by 15 squared minus 22.725 by 15 plus 6,345. 15 squared is 225. go through the multiplications here. Negative 0.825 times 225 is negative 185.625. And let's see, minus 22.725 by 15. That's minus 340.875. And we still have this plus 6,345. And add, subtract from left to right. So negative 185.625 subtract 340.875, add 6,345, gives me 5,818.5. So, a conclusion. In 2015, approximately 5,818.5 million gallons of milk will be consumed. In the United States.